Load your family into the 2012 Honda Pilot. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Honda prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a built-in garage door transmitter, front dual-zone air conditioning, fully automatic headlights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, skid plates, and cruise control. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 8. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.